Don't talk to me. You may be thinking Aaliyah, and I'm thinking middle school. This was my first time trying out a glueless wig. This is the Farblick Glueless Wig. I received the wig cap as well as clips and a headband to go around. It comes in the straight texture and it is a 20-inch wig. This is so nice. Like, it's so nice. For it to be my very first glueless wig, I must say that I'm very impressed. I didn't think that it would be so easy to put on. Fresh out the bag, it has no harsh smell to it. I cannot stand when I receive hair and it smells. I cannot stand when I receive hair and fresh out the box it smells like corn chips or feet. Okay, I don't know. I smell feet all day with babies. I don't want to smell it in my hair. I believe this is a 150 to 180 density. It does feel a little thin, but it's manageable. I'm going to wash it and see if that adds some fluff to it. But overall, I really like this wig. I was getting very much punk rocker vibes, and I actually really like that. So make sure you check it out. It's on my Amazon storefront. Gonna do the Cody bang swing. Cody swing.